The apartment mate Siddharth Vitani, house help Dipesh Sawant leave the DRDO guest house after over an hour of further questioning by the Central Bureau of Investigation team. Cook Neeraj is still being quizzed by the CBI. Remember, all three of these men whose testimonies are very crucial because they had seen the actor before and after the death and had been kept. They had been kept at the DRDO guest house since yesterday, were not allowed to leave. But now two of them, visuals there on your screen from leaving from Sushant Singh's residence, two of them, Siddharth Vitani and house help Dipesh Sawant, have been allowed to leave. However, Cook Neeraj, who perhaps knew the actor closest in some way in the manner in which he was handling his daily routine, he is still being quizzed by the CBI. The CBI sources are maintaining that there is contradiction between some of these statements, and that will have to be even matched because if they were there at the same time, at the same place, why is there a contradiction between their recorded statements? Munish Pandey has been tracking all the latest and was at Sushant's residence as well. So Munish, what does this now infer? That two of them have been allowed to leave. Till now, they were not even permitted to leave the guest house.
Yeah, well, Pooja, they have been, given free hand that they can leave the DRDO office. But again, tomorrow morning, most likely CBI has again called them for questioning. So they have been asked not to leave Mumbai, but for night, if they want and want to go and stay somewhere, they can stay there because the questioning will not take place tonight. Now, tomorrow, so from tomorrow, the questioning will take place about what happened between June 6 and June 12, and especially about June 8, because after Riya left, the CBI would like to know that what was its impact on Sushant Singh Rajput. They want to establish if there is any connection between the June 8 incident and June 14 when Sushant died. So this is why this questioning is going to be very important. As of now, the questioning of these two will again start tomorrow morning, and these two have been asked to stay in Mumbai, but they can go at a place and they can rest for the night.
So Siddharth Vitani and Dipesh Sawant, the house manager, has for now been allowed to leave the guest house. Stay on with me, Munish. Some more breaking news coming in. And big news here. Remember, the CBI officials are now investigating, but they were at the Bandra police station. CBI officials were at the Bandra police station for an hour. They have now left from the Bandra police station, and this after an hour of perhaps discussion there. CBI team had visited the Bandra police after recreating the crime scene for the second time, for the second day at Sushant Singh Rajput's apartment. Munish Pandey continues to be with us. Munish, so of course they will need cooperation from the Bandra police, from the Mumbai police in the account that has been taken from them. Any other evidence? But why after recreation of the scene possibly?
Pooja, what I have been given to understand is that since Mumbai police was the first respondent after Sushant's death, they have already recorded the statement of two policemen who entered Sushant's flat on June 14, the first respondent. Now, they were already present at the crime scene, but we have been given to understand is that there were some documents which the CBI wanted from Bandra police, and that is why they visited. They have taken the documents from Mumbai police, because remember, everything depends upon how Mumbai police is cooperating, because they are the one who are in possession of all the required evidence in the case, and without their cooperation, CBI cannot complete their investigation. So as of now, CBI maintains that Mumbai police is cooperating, and they needed some document. That is why they went to Bandra police, and they got the documents from there.
All right, Munish, thank you so much for tracking all the latest. And Munish is now telling us that the CBI team also interacted with the Mumbai police at the